So I got this report on how sustainability can boost your home values, and it's pretty interesting. So if you're thinking about upgrading your doors or your windows or getting some electrical panels, these are important things to consider. Do they help the value of my home? Well, according to the National Association of Realtors, it says 61% of people are interested in sustainability. 71% of actual realtors said is valuable in helping sell a home. I think it's true. If you have new doors and new windows, one, your property looks a little nicer. Two, it's not going to be too much longer until those have paid for themselves in just lowered energy costs. Plus, I think that when you're selling a home, you can ask a little bit more because you have these things. Solar panels are another thing. Let's say you have a solar hot water heater. One, that's going to lower your monthly electric costs. And two, when you go to sell your home, I think most buyers think that's attractive. Another thing we're talking about is appliances. And the appliances are important. One, they aesthetically look a certain way when you walk into a room. And two, Energy Star appliances, they're 25-30% more efficient than the previous models. These projects can add curb appeal to your house. When you're looking to appeal to buyers, obviously, if you've got a full solar panel kit for your pool and new windows with new AC and a solar hot water heater, that's going to be a lot more appealing to a buyer. So if you're thinking about improving your home, you might want to consider, are you looking to sell? How long you want to stay? Because putting new windows in your house may not get you 100% of the value you paid for the windows when you go to sell it. I think it does increase the value, but I think some of that value is earned back through lower payments on electric. If you want to know what the value of your home is, click our home value link on our website and get an instant value. If you're interested in talking about which is the best for you, or if you're looking to sell your home, give me a call. We're right here on Narcoossee Road. We'd love to help you. This is Joseph with C.A.R.E Network Realty. Like and subscribe. We'll talk to you again.